If you've been playing Seal Cross and noticed some small bugs lately, you are not alone. The good news is that the developers are fixing things. In this video, I'll quickly explain the upcoming May 7th maintenance and the current known issues they're working on. On May 7th, Seal Cross will have a maintenance. So in Asian server, the changes will happen in May 7, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. UTC plus 8. So in the American server, May 6, 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. UTC minus 3. So make sure to do your dailies early before the maintenance. They are making three main changes. The first one is adjusting the dimensional Rift boss Ifrit to make the fight more balanced. Then secondly, changing Rift entry requirements so it's fairer for everyone. Then lastly, doing client and server stabilization work to reduce crashes and improve performance. After maintenance, new packages like Golden Chest products will be added. As compensation, you'll get 1 pet pick-up summon ticket, 1 costume pick-up summon ticket, 10 winter special coupons, and 2 grape soda. This will be sent via in-game mail. Right now, the main ongoing issue is the Rift daily quest not being claimable. A quick fix is to restart the app. The good news is the combo and fever gauge issue has been fixed as of April 23rd. Several other bugs have also been resolved recently like Shield's pass menu problems, crashes on iPhone, and coupon entry issues. The team is actively fixing things and updates the known issues post regularly. So, remember to claim your maintenance rewards after May 7th and restart the app if requests aren't claiming. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments what issues you're running into. Thanks for watching and give a like and subscribe for more CLM on Cross updates. See you next time.